All right, ladies and gentlemen, or I guess as I should say, gentlemen and gentlemen, when I look at my analytics, because let's be honest, guys, it's all dudes. It's a sausage fest. But thank you so much for stopping in. I appreciate you stopping by. This is Unbox and Chill. Of course, it takes place right here at my desk studio. Hit that subscribe button. Hang out with me. I unbox cool stuff. Also, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, okay? We've got a watch we're going to take a look at. This is primarily a watch channel. 99% of the stuff you're going to see on this channel is going to be watch stuff. Like I said, I may slice in some other tech. Or slice in? Like maybe I said that because I have a knife here. I may splice in some other tech. You know, some tech stuff and maybe some other things that I find cool. But this is primarily a watch channel, guys. So hit that subscribe button. Hang out with me. You know, going to start having lots of content come every week. So thank you so much. All right. I just opened a box. That's why I have this knife here. So we got a box from WatchKing.com. Okay, and it's a subscription box service. This is from their watch wheel. I've gone over that ad nauseum. I've gone over that in length. This is from that service, that subscription box service, WatchKing. We're going to take a look at it here. It's from their watch wheel. We're going to see what that entails, okay? Getting into a quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my Hamilton khaki navy sub. So one of the nicest pieces I own. I mean, I don't have a bunch of crazy stuff, but this is on the nicer end for what I own. That's just a quick wristwatch check before we jump in. So let's get the knife out of the way. So actually, I've already opened the box. So this, toss that to the side, and we will bring over our box here. Okay, so. This is from so&co. That's what we'll bring in here. This particular box is from so&co, and this is from the watch wheel, from the bottom tier or the cheapest tier. This is about $54, $55 to get into. So we'll take a look at it here. This was an interesting color. I will say that at the top. One that I don't normally buy watches in, and so I kind of wanted to see what this looks like on the wrist. If not, maybe I'll just try to get rid of it. But it's not something that I typically just stick to the same colors. So this is a little bit out of the box for me as we go into it. Okay. Let's see here. So we've got the black sheath. This is from so&co New York. Of course, it's a budget brand. This is the typical so&co box, which I guess for the price is okay. Okay, we've got the padding here. And let's see here. So we've got your typical warranty information. Yep, just your typical instructions, so&co New York. We'll get that out of the way. We've got foam pad. All right, so we get down to the watch, and like I said, the box is just extremely simple with so&co. There usually isn't a whole lot going on with them. So I move that to the side here. But as you can see, this is, so it's a GMT. And then it looks like it's rose gold. It's a rose gold watch, guys. And it is root beer, or it's, black and brown. So it's GMT. Obviously, this looks like another famous watch that you definitely have heard of. But I wanted to see what this was like. I will say this is very light, and the band does feel a bit... I mean, I'm sure you can hear that. And maybe that's just because I put this watch on, which actually has a really thick and robust band. Obviously this costs a lot more than that. Perhaps that's why this band doesn't make a whole lot of noise when you rattle the bracelet. But this one here, man, this is just very sort of chintzy sounding. But let's see here. So this is a GMT. This does have a Ronda movement. I did look that up. Let's see here. So this is pushed in, but it... Okay. Doesn't appear to be ticking. Let me see here. Oh, okay. I don't think all of those hands should be moving like that. Oh, boy. It ticks forward and backwards. You see that? I think this is broken. We got one DOA, guys. Yeah, you can kind of see the hands are... They're moving all kinds of weird and janky. Huh. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so now we're ticking at least. But you can't... Yeah, when you go to turn it, you see that? The hands won't... Okay, so now it's turning the GM... okay. This is very strange. Yeah, even when you go to just turn the GMT, this is very screwed up, guys. All right, so now the hours, okay. Huh. I believe this is broken. I do. I believe this is a broken watch here. You can't actually set it. Yeah, you see that? You see how the hands jump around like that? See how that flops around? Yeah, okay. So this is DOA out of the box, guys. I'm going to have to try to reach out to Watch Gang. I've actually had this happen a couple times before. I reached out, and unfortunately, I don't know, with COVID and everything like that, no one ever got back to me. So I'm going to have to try and do that again. I actually, if you hold on with me a second, bear with me, as I just bumped the camera there, but bear with me a second. Let me see here. Going to the back of the room here. All right. So I've got some other pieces that this has happened with. So this one arrived, and I got this year, mind you. I had two of these. I did a video with one of these, and it ticked. Now, this one that I got, I'm assuming the battery is supposed to last at least 3 years. This is another one that arrived with an issue. So it's DOA. It got here, and I cannot set it at all. You know, you can set it, but of course, once it doesn't tick. So the battery's dead. Dead DOA right out of the box. So that's the second one. And actually this one here, this is a blue J bracket. And this one here is also, you see how that just comes straight out. It's just, it came that way right out of the box. I emailed them about a couple of these things. I got one, it's like, so a long time ago, I emailed and I got a response. I tried to email this time, and it's like no one ever got back to me. I don't know. I'm going to have to try to reach out again. I'll keep you guys posted on this, but this is now 3 pieces here that have arrived that are all DOA. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. This is effectively probably $150 in watches. So all 3 of these are like $50 a piece. So I will reach out to them and see what's going on. I'll try again, and I'll get back to you guys, and I'll let you know what happened with this. See if we can get that resolved. But I'm actually kind of bummed because I've never had a root beer watch, and I really wanted to own this one. But you see how the hands, they just wobble and dance around here, and you can't actually set them because they just fall around all over the place. So that's a bit of a bummer. And I will say that's a bit of a bummer because the so&co watches that I've gotten in the past have been, for what they are, obviously they're more affordable watches. They've actually been very nice. I had a Batman GMT like this one, but it was Batman, and it was actually a very nice piece. I believe the same Ronda movement GMT. It was nice. But this is not so much. So I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted on this. I'll reach out to them again. I'll try, and I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll see what happens. Listen, I've gotten many good pieces from them that have come that have been, totally fine out of the box. This is going to happen every now and again. It's not really on their end. I'm pretty sure this is fulfilled through, the companies that send them out and that sort of thing. So, I will reach out to them. I will see what they say. So, thank you so much, guys, for stopping in. I hate to kind of end on this note, but I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you so much. Bye.